Ever wondered if IPTV services can be efficiently used on Apple TV? Let's embark on this discovery journey. Imagine accessing countless channels visually crisp and instantly available through IPTV on your Apple TV. In this fast-paced digital world, compatibility is key. Does the popular Apple TV fit the bill with IPTV? First, let's unveil the process of linking IPTV with Apple TV. It's easier than many would expect. With just a few configurations, your Apple TV can truly become a versatile entertainment machine. Next, we'll dive into the necessary apps that facilitate IPTV services on your Apple streaming device. Ensuring a solid internet connection is essential. The quality improves remarkably with good bandwidth. Selecting the right IPTV provider suddenly transforms your Apple TV into a diverse multimedia hub. Imagine having countless global channels at your fingertips without cumbersome cable packages. Let's not ignore the value for money aspect. IPTV can be a cost-effective alternative to traditional TV. Unique content from around the world is within reach if integrated correctly with your Apple TV. Optimizing settings benefits your viewing experience dramatically, providing smoother streams and better visuals. Interestingly, 2TV.store offers fantastic plans designed perfectly for integration with Apple TV. Explore diverse channels, enjoy seamless streaming, and eliminate geographical boundaries instantly with IPTV. Remember, tech should simplify entertainment, making IPTV on your Apple TV a harmonious duo. Ready for an affordable yet extensive TV experience? Get started today and enjoy flawless streaming.